Okay, welcome everyone. So, in this session, we are going to do something different, and to do that, we would just use Python language and we will write just two lines to control my whole computer by my phone. So, let's see the magic. To do that, you only need to install only one package, that is PyWordKit. This involves a lot of things. Let's say you can automate your WhatsApp using your computer as well. You can play some videos and you can just simply control your system with your phone. To do that, I will just simply import this my PyWordKit, and I have told you I would be using just two lines PyWordKit, and then start underscore server. That's it. You are good to go. So let me run this python main.py, and if I run this, you will see that this is working, and it says server started at local IP of this PC colon 8000. So let's check what is the IP of my PC. To do that, I can just simply write ipconfig, and you will see IPv4 address, that is 192 this address. Let me go to my phone and I will write the same address, 192.168.18.208 colon 8000. You can see this is something, and when I run this, I see something like this. So now I'm not using my phone, I'm not using my mouse actually, I am using my mobile. So you can see I can control the whole cursor with this. I can just simply maybe do some clicks over here, and I can just simply do right click, and I can also code by this as well. So I can write using my phone. You can say I am typing. So this is that simple. You can do something like cool stuff like this using Python as well. See ya. Bye bye.